Hello, friends. I'm here with the concluding part of the audio story on how to think like a genius. I'm your friend Priya, and I'm connecting to you via Vivek Estakai's Their Golden Temple, Amritsar. So, in our last video, we had talked about lateral thinking by Edward de Bono, and lateral thinking, as I explained, is creative thinking and approaching the problem from different angles. On the image on my right side, you can see that the linear approach is one where a person is following a singular path, meets the problem, and tries to go for a solution on the same track. Whereas down under, you see on the lateral path, he doesn't have one, he has multiple paths. And from those paths, there are other tracks to which he can reach a solution, and there is not one solution, there are many solutions. Keeping that in mind, let us see what was the solution for the farmer problem, where he fell in love with a princess and she also wanted to marry him, but the king, the father, had posed a challenge to the peasant that you pick up a slip. One was written exile, and on the other was also written exile. That the king had cleverly done, but the king told him, one is marriage, one is exile, and you pick up the slip and that would be your destiny. So it was a lose-lose situation for the peasant, but the peasant used a creative approach, used a lateral approach, and on the day when the entire public of the kingdom was there, he picked up one slip, tore it, and said, this is my destiny and I accept it. And the other slip, he asked the king to show to the public. Now, naturally, the other slip had the word exile. So the public also cheered, and the king had to pretend that the chit that the peasant picked was that of marriage. And of course, they lived happily ever after. So you see how the lateral approach helped. Second problem was that how did the police know that John was the fireman? So remember, I told you the other people who were playing cards with the firemen were a carpenter, lorry driver, and mechanic. Now, we just had to use an approach in which we would think that why would they all be men? Because that's what we traditionally think. Because the carpenter, the lorry driver, and the mechanic, they were all women. So the police had no problem in finding John. And the baby problem, I said that he lived in a 20-story building, but I never specified which floor. He lived on the ground floor. Therefore, when he fell off, he was not hurt. So again, you have to find out what is missing from the problem. Maybe the missing link is the solution. So as told to you in the last video, I will also be sharing some tips on how to embark on a path where you can be a genius. Number one is, of course, you need to restructure your ideas and read the situation. Let me give you an example. There were two IIT Delhi alumnus, Dipinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadda, who are really multimillionaires now. What happened was that Dipinder saw that his colleagues were consistently demanding paper menu leaflets of different restaurants to order food. And that's when he thought, why don't I change these restaurant paper menus into a digital app? And Zomato was born. Not only Zomato, after that you have Swiggy and so many apps, and they are doing well. So you just need to read the situation. Think of problems as opportunities. Again, Ola, Uber, they saw that people had problem in commuting. They didn't want to take buses. It was taking a lot of time. Not everybody could buy cars. And you know, the rest is history. How Ola and Uber have made money and made life easier for people. Explore new ideas of thinking. Well, let me tell you about Percy Spencer. Percy Spencer was working on some project and he was testing a new tube, and there was a chocolate bar in his pocket that melted fast. So he said, let me try it on other things, eggs, popcorns. And you know what happened? Microwave oven soon followed. So he explored this new idea of thinking. Change your focus. Do you know how the refrigerator was invented rather? It just had to be thought that if you take a huge space and remove heat from it, it will be a cooling effect, and that is how the refrigerator was born. But the focus was changed, that if you do it in a room, what will happen? My friends, air conditioner was born. Next is to ask the reason. For example, Edison did, and he improved on the electric bulb, and today we have electricity courtesy him. Transistors were invented, and people asked questions that why these transistors cannot be used in different kind of devices. And today we have radios, television, cell phones, computer key, and they all have transistors as an important component. And last but not least, listen, 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 and listen. Absorb. Take what is important, discard what is not, but give respect to all ideas. So learn, invent, explore, and before that, you need to listen and observe. I hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you very much. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe, and share.